By the end of this video, you're going to know everything you need to know about AI Vault and make a decision on whether or not it's for you, or if it's not for you, stick around for my exclusive bonuses. Okay, I'm going to jump into a full demo of the back end of the product here in a bit, but just as an overview of what it is, and I'm going to go through these bonuses in a second, but just as an overview of what the actual software does, it creates websites that specifically sell AI tools, and the tools are already built in. You'll see kind of like what it is, but I've done a lot of this in the past. I don't know if you remember this method. It's still very viable. I think this is a great replacement for it, though, where people like Chase Reiner will use a Google Sheet to just list AI tools and then just put affiliate links next to them. This is similar to that, but more like combining that with like a newsletter. And then you can put your own custom domains. It's a really great idea, and it appears that the software works great. So if you're looking to do something like that, like faceless AI tool affiliate selling, this is like a tool that can actually accomplish that for you. These bonuses are going to be delivered to you directly in the actual members area when you go through my link. ClipFuse plus the reseller of that. This is an AI app that allows you to place ads on top of any YouTube videos 100% for free. You don't have to pay for ads or anything like that. Eon Market AI also has the reseller. It's no code. It builds Amazon stores. If you're into Amazon affiliate stuff, which I am, it's great. Make like 50 to 100 bucks a day, incredibly passively. Multiple AI tools in a single dashboard with a reseller license. AI powered page builder with done for you templates and a reseller license. So there's products for you to actually sell in here or give away as bonuses, things like that. Rank Beast, done for you ebook store with millions of pre-made ebooks and a reseller license on that. It's Traffic Beast front end and the reseller. So it's a cloud app that you can also sell. A lot of great bonuses. Let's dive into the actual demo. If you're interested in picking up these bonuses, just use the link somewhere around this video, probably on YouTube in the description.